Introducing SmartenApps for Tally. SmartenApps provides out-of-the-box analytics for Tally ERP with intuitive dashboards, KPI, and reporting. Founded on a software-as-a-service model, SmartenApps is easy to access and easy to use. SmartenApps for Tally provides a rich foundation to support the organization and the user with augmented analytics integration and technology that allows for access from anywhere. The desktop app is installed on a desktop running Tally ERP and fetches data from Tally ERP as scheduled by the user. That data is pushed to a secured Smarten cloud where users can view and analyze data using the mobile app and web portal. The software as a service model provides ready-to-use ease with no implementation or training and no upfront investment or server management required. With SmartenApps for Tally, users have near real-time access to recent Tally ERP transactions and data. Business users can access SmartenApps for Tally via the web or mobile application, extending the Office environment to ensure timely access and decisions and allowing for swift analysis. SmartenApps for Tally offers a free trial period and simple, affordable licensing fees and plans thereafter. Support is readily available to ensure that users have the best experience. Out-of-the-box reports and dashboards offer deep dive, drill down, and drill through capability to make data-driven decisions. SmartenApps includes a library of overview reports that summarize key metrics and results, including a summary overview and top-bottom analysis. Overview reports and dashboards also include contribution analysis and critical key performance indicators to keep the business on track. SmartenApps provides sales and purchase reports to allow users to explore sales to date, monthly, quarterly, and yearly KPI and trends. Users can analyze sales, customers, and sales registers to stay on top of results and identify issues. The bank and cash reports reveal trends and patterns in banking and cash results over a period of time. Users can easily compare results from previous time periods to understand progress and identify downward or upward trends. Payables and receivables are the lifeblood of a business. These reports break down payables and receivables by creditor and debtor and by product, service, and components, so users can see trends, overdue collections, and other key results. The inventory dashboard analyzes shortages and overages and helps users to discover key data for stock management, supplier issues, and shipping and distribution. SmartenApps for Tally tax reports allow users to examine previous taxes, understand taxes due, and estimate tax obligations for planning purposes. The Cost Center dashboard is a key report that displays balances and progress by cost center groups and accounts, and by ledger relevance and association. The ledger provides classic and detailed views of entries and balances and allows for drill down to the individual voucher level to examine and analyze entries. SmartenApps for Tally allows users to drill down into critical data and to see balances at higher levels and drill into the hierarchy to explore transactions. These account statements are ideal for accountants for statutory submission and to review balance sheets, profit and loss, daybooks, and trial balances to ensure appropriate management and compliance. The reports library includes reports that provide users with the ability to drill down and through data and to filter and export. Dashboards reveal a breakdown of customer sales and item sales and other helpful reports, including dashboards for vendor and item purchases, inventory analysis and stock versus amount, insight into payables and receivables, vendor and customer inventory, and many, many other reports. SmartenApps for mobile devices is available for iOS and Android and provides near real-time data access to multi-company data with snapshots of key performance indicators and out-of-the-box dashboards and reports. And users receive awesome, seamless support from the SmartenApps support team and partner network. SmartenApps for Tally is based on the Smarten Augmented Analytics platform and provides sophisticated, easy-to-use advanced data discovery tools that are easy enough for every business user to adopt. Smarten Augmented Analytics includes a comprehensive set of modules and features and is recognized by Gartner in multiple reports and market guides, including data preparation, modern BI and analytics, enterprise reporting, and more. Don't wait. Get started now with a free trial. Visit SmartenApps.com for your free trial or call us today to get started.